Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GusandShow.com. A lot of people want to increase their credit scores, and during that process, other things can go wrong. So when we run a credit report for FHA loan, and you close within 30 to 60 days, they're not going to ask for an updated credit report. But if we do a rapid rescore, we're trying to get your scores up, and a new collection hits, and we have a new credit report number, and your score drops during that time. You didn't know a collection was going to hit. Most people don't even know that a collection's coming. But if it were to hit while we're rescoring your credit, now your credit score falls, and the bank's going to see that there's an additional credit report ran from us, so they're going to ask for it. So be careful on updating your credit reports when you're doing these rapid rescores. If you charge a credit card, put $500 on it during that rescore, it could get worse. So be careful. We're obligated to use that new report. We can't just say ignore this new one we just ran. So be careful, it can backfire. Guston wanted me to let you guys know, so be careful when doing rapid rescores. You have to know if there's possible things that are going to change or going to come up. If you've gotten letters from collection companies, please let us know. It could be a risk to doing a rapid rescore. So give us a call if you get any questions on that. Please subscribe. It helps us help you. 630-915-7550.